Is it just me, or does it feel like every single day there's a new, world-changing AI model? One week it's transformers, the next it's mixture of experts, and then multi-agent frameworks, and about a dozen new papers that everyone says you have to read. Well, as a software engineer myself, my feed is just chaos. Exciting for sure, but also kind of overwhelming. We are the ones expected to actually build with this stuff. But how do you keep up when everything is evolving this fast? Well, that's exactly what I want to figure out, but together. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prompt and Paradox. If you are new here, hi, I'm Ishita. I've been a software engineer for almost a decade now, building systems that range from large-scale weather workflows to machine learning pipelines. But over the last year, something has changed. The way we build software is changing fast, and AI is no longer something you can ignore or treat as a buzzword. It is becoming part of how we design code and even think. So I'm taking this channel in a new direction, one that is for developers by a developer. I'm going to be learning the new AI stack, LLMs, agents, RAG, orchestration frameworks, basically everything that is reshaping our industry. So think of this as my digital notebook, where I document what I learn, share it with you, and together we decide what to uncover next. So here is how this journey is going to look. I have mapped out a roadmap for myself, a learning path that will take us from the fundamentals to the cutting edge. We'll keep things practical, clear, and under 15 minutes per video. We want to only talk about stuff that actually helps us build. In phase 1, the foundations of modern AI, we will start at the base, neural networks, embeddings, transformers. But instead of diving into heavy math, we'll focus on intuition, how these systems actually learn, what attention really means, and why embeddings are the language of modern AI. In phase 2, we will talk about the age of large language models. We will get into models running the world, GPTs, Cloud, Gemini, and we will break down what an LLM actually is, how fine-tuning and prompt engineering works, how developers can adapt these models to their own app. Finally, the fun stuff, agents. We'll explore what it means to give AI systems a sense of agency, to reason, plan, and take action. We'll design agents that can call APIs, run code, and use memory to carry out multi-step goals. Then we will move on to multi-agent systems, where multiple specialized AIs collaborate like a team. Imagine one agent doing research, another writing code, another testing, and another managing the workflow, all talking to each other. We will dive into RAG to give these agents long-term memory and dynamic knowledge access. And we'll also explore how to actually orchestrate and deploy them, building real production-grade systems that go beyond chatbots. And this won't be just theory. To bring it all together, we will build a hands-on project, a multi-agent weather system. Picture this. One agent that interprets natural language questions, another that fetches real-time data from APIs, and a third that pulls in historical context using RAG, and a master agent that ties it all together, reasoning, combining data, and delivering real insights. By the end of this series, we'll go from the humble neuron to a fully functioning multi-agent app. So if you are a software engineer who wants to actually understand how to build with AI, not just follow tutorials, this series is for you. This is the new Prompt and Paradox. Practical, collaborative, and evolving as fast as the tech itself. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Tell me, which AI topic confuses or excites you the most? That will help shape what we explore next. All right. Let's get ready to build. I'll see you in the next video.